I want to share a minor upgrade I made during my kitchen renovation. So most Canadian homeowners will tell you that this is an illegal installation since putting an electrical outlet inside a closed cabinet is illegal in Canada. Right now, the microwave is not working. No light and no electricity. When I pull this drawer out, it becomes fully functional. There's a small safety clip here that needs to be pulled up to enable the drawer to go back in place. Since back inside, the appliance can no longer work. I've installed special IKEA hinges that allow the door to open further than 90 degrees. There is a grip here and I can pull the appliance directly since I've installed some leg stoppers on the surface, assuring the microwave does not slip. So these are my 2 rubber leg stoppers screwed into the surface. On the back is the outlet box fixed with 3-inch corner braces, and behind it is some flexible metal arm that supports and protects the electrical wire. There's also a second outlet that we do not see right now fixed to the back of the cabinet, and this is how to close it with the safety lock located just here. This is the outlet you need to install at the back of your cabinet to do this installation. The one that comes with the on and off switch, available at dockingdrawer.com. I have fixed the outlet to the surface with regular 3-inch corner braces from Home Depot. From IKEA, this is called a pull-out work surface that I have repurposed. Regular drawers have vertical walls that would block the microwave door. A regular drawer would do for appliances that do not have a front door like a toaster or a mixer. These are the hinges I recommend for the door. The set of 2 is just $10 more expensive than regular 90-degree hinges, but these open wider. This installation would make installing any small appliance inside a kitchen cabinet safe and legal. Thanks for watching.